Welcome to another edition of Expert Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the INIU Power Bank P73. This is a 10,000 mAh power bank that supports fast wireless charging as well as wired charging, and you can see 15 watt wireless charging, so fast wireless charging, as well as 45 watt wired charging, and it is MagSafe compatible. Again, that is the Qi2 standard. That is the fastest you can possibly charge an iPhone wirelessly, which is really awesome. So let's open up this box and check it out. And here you go. That's the device right there. You do get your instruction manual that will have, all the information you need. I love INIU. They're a great company. They make really great products, and I have no doubt that this is going to be a really awesome product as well. Let's get it out of this package and check this out. This is so simple, so cool. This is 10,000 mAh. That is a lot of battery power. It is MagSafe compatible. You can see, you can attach your phone to it for MagSafe. You've got your power button over here. You've got a Type-C port here. Another Type-C port here. This is in and out 2. This, I believe, is in and out 1. I believe it'll go either way, so I believe you can use either of those ports to charge. Definitely use them to charge a device from here. And then what's really awesome is this little lanyard or strap that you would use to carry this around is more than just a strap. Look at this. Check that out. You have your Type-C cable that you can use to charge this or to charge your iPhone or your Google Pixel phone, whatever phone you want to charge with it, your Samsung Galaxy phone, attached as part of it. The fact that it's always with you, and you just put it in there like that, and it becomes your lanyard to carry this around, but you've always got a cord with you. That is brilliant design, just really beautiful, ingenious. I just love it. INIU has been making really excellent products for several years, and just in the last 2 to 3 years, they've really just upped their game with this kind of stuff, coming up with really creative, innovative designs, and also products that work great. Again, this is Qi2. So this is fast wireless charging for your wireless charging devices like the iPhone 17 Pro, Pro Max, iPhone 16, all those devices. And you've got, as well as the Type-C, which can get you 45 watt fast charging through the Type-C ports. And your power button. And it's not that big. It's not that big at all. You could carry this easily in your bag or your pocket. So packed with power, packed with features and functionality. And one more feature, check this out on the back. You've got a little stand here. So you can put that stand out like that and put your iPhone on here and have a stand, or your Google Pixel 10 phone, which also has the magnetic ring, and it'll have it right there. And then you've got that cool little logo, LED logo on the back that gives you the amount of charge that is left in your phones, in the charger. So you can power it on. You'll always know how much charge you have left, or if you're running low and need to charge the device back up. So, look at that. So much functionality built into this product. Just a really excellent looking product from INIU. That's going to be it for the unboxing. I will be doing a follow-up demo review video, so stay tuned for that. Favorite this playlist, subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with that. And if you have any questions, post them down below. Share this video with anyone you think might be interested. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.